Under the water, there is a magical world where colorful fish swim and play. Little Arfa sat with her pencil and colors. Her notebook was empty, but her mind was full of ideas. Today, why don't you draw some fish? Her mom said. But mom, I don't know how to draw fish, Arfa said with a sad face. Her mom smiled. Just try. Use your imagination and draw them your way. Arfa began to think. She imagined a fish could be round. So, she drew a round fish. Then she gave it a long tail to help it swim. She made its fins colorful, like a rainbow. Soon, her notebook was filled with all kinds of fish, red, blue, yellow, and even a golden fish. Look, Mom! Arfa said happily. Her mom looked at the drawings and said, Wow, you are an artist now. Arfa smiled with joy. I want to draw more fish. Next, I'll draw a river where they can play. From that day, Arfa found her own magical world in drawing. Through her pictures, her imagination began to soar.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। থ্যাংক ইউ।